Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. As you can see, I'm on a holiday, and even during this holiday I'm going to be showing you a very delicious cake, which is the Eggless blueberry travel cake. It's very easy, it's scrumptious, very delicious, and I'm sure you must be waiting to try it ASAP. So let's get started. For the lemon blueberry travel cake, we will be using flour, powdered sugar, milk powder, baking powder and baking soda. Then we have milk, vinegar, melted butter, rind of lemon and blueberry compote. For the center filling, we will again be using a blueberry compote or a blueberry filling as it's called. For the coating, we will be doing white chocolate, oil and hazelnuts. So we will take the milk. To that I will add the vinegar, mix this a little, and I will keep this aside for about 5 minutes. Next I will take the flour. To the flour I will add the baking powder, the baking soda, and I will just mix this around till the baking powder and the baking soda is well mixed with the flour. Next, I will take the milk in a bowl. To this, I will add the melted butter and just mix it slightly. To this, I will add the powdered sugar that we have. This is just plain sugar which I have taken, put it in the mixer and just powdered it. And I will mix this till it is well mixed. Once the sugar has mixed, I will take the milk powder and again mix this. Make sure there are no lumps in this of the milk powder. Once this is mixed well, I will take the lemon rind and put this inside and then again mix it well so that we get a nice lime flavor in the batter. Once this is mixed, I will put in the flour and I will put in the blueberry compote or the blueberry filling that we have inside and mix this till we have a nice and smooth cake batter. The batter is well mixed and as you can see it's a nice batter. We will be using a travel loaf tin. The travel loaf tin is the one which has a rod in the center. So I have greased it and put a butter paper down. Even the rod has to be greased so that the cake leaves nicely. I will put the batter into this tin. This is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the cake is baking in the oven, we will make the white chocolate Rocher dressing. I will take the white chocolate and melt this in the microwave. If you want, you can even melt it on a double boiler. The white chocolate has melted. Once this is melted and we have it smooth and there are no lumps inside, I'm going to add in the oil. Once I've added the oil, I will mix it till the oil is well blended into the chocolate. It should be a smooth mix. Don't leave strands of oil in this mixture. The oil needs to mix properly and evenly throughout. Once this is done, once it is mixed well, I will take the chopped hazelnuts and mix this with the mixture. And now my glaze is ready. While the cake is baking and we are doing the filling later, I will just keep this aside to use later. This cake is done and it's come down to room temperature. I will just rotate the rod slightly, pull this out and unmold the cake. The cake has been unmolded, so we are going to be filling it, but first we need to block one side so that the filling does not move out. So what I will do is I will just put a little buttercream using a knife, just close it And then on the other side is where I have put the blueberry filling which was there. I will pipe it inside till it is all the way through. Once you see that it has come out, clear this and even close this side with a little buttercream so that the filling does not flow out. And now we will keep this cake in the fridge for about 20 to 25 minutes so that it's a little cool before we pour the glaze on top. The cake has been chilling in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. The icing, the glaze icing, as you can see, it's in this consistency, it's liquid. We will pour this on top and cover the whole cake with it. Once I have finished glazing it, I will keep it in an AC room or in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the glaze will set. As you can see, this icing has set and the cake is ready. If you want, you can just have it the way it is, or you can decorate it with some butter icing and some fresh blueberries and some chocolate garnishing on top. I am going to be decorating it with a little butter icing on top. I've just taken normal simple butter icing and I'm just doing a simple border on top. I can use some chocolate garnishing to decorate this. Let us slice and see what it looks like from inside. So I'm using a sharp knife to just slice this through. It is really soft and delicious. It's smelling so good. And see, the travel cake is ready. Just see the crumb of the cake and it is super delicious and it's super soft. Just waiting to bite into it.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।